This production line is a fully streamlined and intelligent system, covering assembly, welding, and material flow for heavy-duty forklift chassis, components and assemblies. The heavy chassis dual robot welding station, highlighted here, is one of the core stations on the production line. 2 welding robots work in perfect sync, performing precise, simultaneous welds. This advanced coordination ensures higher efficiency and flawless welding quality. The workpiece positioners can rotate 180 to ensure full welding accessibility. This project uses advanced welding techniques, including multi-layer, vertical and fillet welding, single and double-sided forming, and twin-wire, deep penetration. These processes ensure stable and precise chassis welds. NAEC Intelligent Forklift Welding Workstation boosting forklift production.